Hey everyone, welcome to ClickFix. Today I'll show you how to turn off app tracking on your iPhone to protect your privacy and stop apps from monitoring your activity. First, unlock your iPhone and open the Settings app. Scroll down and tap on Privacy and Security. Inside Privacy and Security, look for Tracking and tap on it. This is where you control app tracking permissions on iOS. Now, at the top, you'll see Allow apps to request to track. Simply toggle this off. Once disabled, apps can no longer request permission to track you, and tracking will be automatically disabled for all apps. If you prefer more control, you can scroll down to see individual apps and disable tracking for specific ones by toggling them off. This gives you the flexibility to choose which apps can track and which cannot. After disabling app tracking, apps won't be able to follow your activity across other apps or websites. You may notice fewer personalized ads, but your iPhone privacy settings will be significantly improved. And that's it. That's how you disable app tracking on iPhone. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to ClickFix for more iPhone tips and tutorials.